How do you store all your extra beauty products? Or what about those items like shampoos, conditioners, or even like travel items? How do you store them? In this video, I'm going to share 10 easy solutions for ways you can store your extra supplies. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm a family organizing expert that helps you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do. Okay, way number one is a bin. What? Shocking, I know. But not just like any bin. I would suggest using a longer and narrower bin that can easily store those particular items. I like using them if you have items like your hair care products, if you have extra makeup, and any like shower body wash type of items. Now you group all of the things together and store in a bin. My second way to store is using a basket, and I like using baskets for extra sheets or kind of like lady products or any kind of like facial products like that. And the reason why I like using those type of baskets is because they're easier to store inside my linen closet, plus it looks really pretty too. Now you can also use baskets as storage within your bathroom for items like washcloths or other items. Just make sure that the basket though can like live in a bathroom where the temperature does fluctuate. And so maybe a bin might be better than a basket. Another way to store your extra supplies is by using a turntable or a Lazy Susan. And the reason why I like using those type of items is because if you have a kind of like funky space, like under your sink or in a linen closet or just kind of like a storage space, using a Lazy Susan or turntable can easily store those extra items, and you can get to them regardless of how deep the cabinet is. Number 4 is using under sink organizers. I really like using racks underneath the sink that go around the piping so that you can use the space to the best of your ability. Like you can maximize that space using under sink racks. Another way to store some of those extra items is using drawer organizers. And I typically do that with extra beauty supplies and like makeup. Those items can easily be stacked in drawer organizers if you have deeper drawers. So you can store all of your extra beauty items underneath what you're already using. And then when you need to replace them, you just remove the top so that the bottom drawer organizer can hold all of those extra beauty products so that they're right there for you as you grab them. So like you're putting on your makeup and you run out of eyeshadow. So then you just lift up the top drawer organizer, and then you can grab your extra eyeshadow, which is housed underneath your makeup already. Number 6 is using a cart in your bathroom. Now, when I had a large bathroom in my studio apartment in the city, I loved using carts that held some of my extra products, and I did that with drawers, which you can watch up here. And I also made sure that I stored all of my extra items together like towels and sheets, and they were all stored together. So you could use that as well as a cart in your bathroom or in your linen closet if you have the space to slide the cart in and out. That's why I love using a cart, because you can use it to store all of your items and then wheel it out wherever you need it and then put it back so that it doesn't take up so much floor space. Another tip for storing extra items is to line everything up like you would find in a grocery store. So one thing behind the other. The reason why this works so well is because you can visually see how much stuff you have, and it makes it really easy to grab what you need and go. Another tip is to store your extra supplies where you use them. So sometimes it might be easier. You might have more space in a linen closet or a different bathroom, but sometimes it might be easier to store those items where you use them. And because of that, they might need to be stored behind other things. So that goes into my tip number 9, which is to keep inventory of what you have. And I have that freebie listed below. So you can get my free bathroom and linen closet inventory, which will help keep you on track of the stuff that you have within your home so that you aren't wasting money on buying more things when you already have them. And then Number 10 is to make sure that you label everything. So if you use a basket or a bin or a cart, make sure that you label what goes where and keep that on your inventory. You can even like hang a clipboard off of it so that you are buying more items than like what you actually need. And the reason being is so you will stop the overbuying when you actually take inventory of your extra items. And you have created a plan and a habit for yourself to get everything nice and tidy. So want to learn more? Click down below because I have a whole big blog post on how you can store all your extra storage items that will help you stay organized. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.